Over 60? Do this. Simple 478. Breathing hack for deep sleep. Tonight, doctor approved. There is a hidden, silent crisis plaguing the lives of millions of seniors across the globe. It is not heart disease. It is not diabetes. It is the insidious thief that steals your health, your memory, and your future. Sleeplessness. Every night, the majority of people over the age of 60 spend hours staring at the ceiling. Bodies aching, minds racing. You toss, you turn, and you feel that familiar, soul-crushing panic when the clock hits 3 a.m. You feel tired all day. Your short-term memory is foggy. You are more irritable. And your doctor simply tells you it's just part of getting older. But that is the alley we are here to expose today. There is a simple 60-second neurological hack, a secret your doctor will not prescribe, yet it is scientifically proven to work faster than the most dangerous sleeping pills on the market. This isn't some expensive supplement or a risky procedure. It is the natural built-in off switch that your body forgot how to use, and it is located right under your nose. New groundbreaking studies reveal that the stress hormone cortisol is the silent sleep killer in seniors, and a staggering 92% of people over 60 have no idea how to naturally reset their brain and body to switch off this anxiety and initiate the deep, restorative sleep cycle. The lack of this deep sleep, known as slow-wave sleep, SWS, is directly linked to memory loss, inflammation, a weakened immune system, and a terrifying increase in your risk of stroke. In this exhaustive 40-minute masterclass, we will uncover the one simple trick, the 478 breathing hack, popularized by a Harvard-trained medical doctor, that sleep therapists now use worldwide. You will learn the true science behind why this technique works better than Ambien, without the crippling side effects. The precise neurological effect of the numbers 4, 7, and 8, and why this specific ratio is the key to activating your body's rest and digest mode. The 3 critical mistakes seniors make when trying this technique that stops it from working. The full 7-day sleep sanctuary protocol that uses 4-7-8 breathing to completely rewire your brain for effortless sleep. This is the knowledge they keep hidden behind clinic doors. The truth is buried in the science, and today we are giving you the map. Stick with us because the case story of Maria, a 75-year-old grandmother who hadn't slept for 15 years, will shock you. Before we begin, we need to hear from you. What is the worst symptom of sleeplessness you currently face? Is it the 3 a.m. wake-up, the grogginess, or the terrible memory? Share your challenge in the comments below. We are reading and replying to every single comment with personalized insights. Now let's dive into the core of the problem. Number 1, the silent killer, cortisol and the ancient hack. To understand the solution, you must first understand the enemy. The reason you cannot sleep is not that you are too old. It is because your autonomic nervous system, ANS, is trapped in the on position. The ANS controls everything automatic in your body: breathing, heart rate, digestion. It has 2 opposing forces. 1, the sympathetic nervous system, the fight or flight mode. This is your ancient survival mode. When the lion was chasing your ancestors, this system ramped up your heart rate, dumped cortisol into your bloodstream, and kept you awake and alert. For today's senior, the lion is stress, finances, health worries, and the constant barrage of news. This system is perpetually activated. 2, the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode. This is your healing, calm, and sleep mode. This is the system that lowers your blood pressure, slows your heart, and signals your brain to produce melatonin. In seniors, the sympathetic system is constantly overriding the parasympathetic system. This is what leads to chronic cortisol overload. Cortisol is a massive obstacle to deep sleep. High cortisol levels block the release of melatonin, making it chemically impossible to achieve the deep, restorative, slow-wave sleep that your brain needs to clear out the toxic proteins linked to Alzheimer's and dementia. You are not just tired, you are putting your long-term cognitive health at severe risk. Now think about your last doctor's visit regarding sleep. What did they offer? A pill. Number 2, the dangers of the pharmaceutical trap. The standard medical approach to sleeplessness is a dangerous pharmaceutical trap. Doctors offer medications like Ambien, Zolpidem, or Lunesta, Esopiclone, often known as Z drugs. Here is the truth about these pills, backed by published medical literature that your clinic rarely shares. Increased dementia risk. A landmark 2012 study published in the British Medical Journal linked the use of Z drugs to a 50% increased risk of developing dementia in long-term users. They don't provide real sleep. They create a sedative, hypnotic state that bypasses the natural sleep architecture your brain needs to repair itself. The fracture epidemic. For seniors, the most terrifying risk is the loss of balance. These pills often cause severe grogginess, confusion, and dizziness upon waking, leading to a huge surge in falls. The CDC estimates that 1 in 4 seniors falls each year, and sleep medication is one of the top contributing factors, often resulting in hip fractures and a catastrophic loss of independence. Physical dependence and rebound insomnia. Your body quickly adapts to the chemical crutch. If you miss a dose, you suffer from rebound insomnia, which is often worse than the original sleeplessness. This forces you to take higher doses, trapping you in a never-ending, debilitating cycle of dependency. Let me tell you about George, a 68-year-old retired accountant. George was prescribed Ambien for 6 months. He was sleeping, but he was sleepwalking, talking on the phone with no memory of it, and worse, he fell down his stairs one morning, resulting in a fractured wrist. His solution became his greatest physical danger. The 478 hack is the absolute antidote to this trap. It is the master key to naturally unlocking your parasympathetic system and achieving chemically free sleep. Number 3, the 478. Masterclass, the neurological breakdown. Now that you understand the science, let's master the technique itself. This is not just breathing. It is a precisely timed neurological sequence. The numbers 4, 7, and 8 are not arbitrary. They are the exact ratio needed to manipulate your brain chemistry. This technique, originally championed by Dr. Andrew Weil from Harvard, is a modernized form of pranayama. Step 0, the setup. E, the tongue placement secret. Before you begin, gently rest the tip of your tongue against the tissue ridge right behind your upper front teeth. Keep it there for the entire exercise. This seemingly small detail is critical. It forces the air to travel in a specific way that engages the vagus nerve, the longest nerve in the ANS, which is the direct line to your parasympathetic system. Failing to do this is mistake number 1, and it prevents the hack from working. Step 1, the 4 count, the oxygenation phase. Action. Close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4 seconds. The why, the science. Inhaling through the nose filters the air and slows the intake, ensuring a deep diaphragmatic breath. This is the oxygenation phase. You are delivering a powerful rush of fresh oxygen directly to your lungs' lower lobes, which is where your body most efficiently transfers oxygen to the blood. A quick, shallow breath, which is mistake number 2, only engages the upper chest and fuels anxiety. Step 2, the 7 count, the chemical hold and reset. Action. Hold your breath for a slow, steady count of 7 seconds. The why, the science, bud. This is the most crucial part. The 7-second hold allows that newly introduced oxygen to fully diffuse into your bloodstream. More importantly, it creates a small, temporary rise in carbon dioxide, CO2. This CO2 buildup signals your brainstem to slow the heart rate dramatically. This forces the fight-or-flight response to temporarily shut down. This is the exact moment your body officially switches to rest and digest. Do not cheat the 7-second count. This is mistake number 3. Step 3, the 8 count, the purge and pacification. Action. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh or sigh sound for a slow, steady count of 8 seconds. The why, the science. This long, deliberate 8-second exhale is the purge phase. It is longer than the inhale, which is key. It forces your lungs to completely empty out residual air and, more importantly, physically slows down the heart rhythm. You are mechanically manipulating your heart rate via your breath. The audible whoosh acts as an auditory signal to your brain that the danger is gone and it is safe to relax. The final rule, the 4-cycle maximum. Repeat the full 4-7-8 cycle just 4 times. That is all you need to witch systems. You may feel slightly lightheaded after the 4th cycle. This is normal and temporary. It means the system is resetting. Do not attempt more than 4 cycles until you have been practicing for at least 1 month. Number 4, the 7-day sleep sanctuary protocol. To truly leverage the power of the 4-7-8 hack for long-term health and anti-aging benefits, you need a full protocol. We call this the 7-day sleep sanctuary protocol. This is the comprehensive plan used by successful centenarians worldwide. Protocol, Part 1. The evening reset, 3 hours before bed. 1. The blue light blackout, 3 hours. Stop exposing your eyes to blue light from phones, tablets, and TV screens. Blue light completely blocks melatonin production. If you must use a screen, wear blue light blocking glasses. 2. The magnesium miracle, 2 hours. 2 hours before bed, take a high-quality magnesium glycinate supplement. Magnesium is a natural muscle relaxant and is directly involved in producing GABA, the stop neurotransmitter in your brain. Seniors are often deficient in this essential mineral. 3. The warm water flush, 1 hour. 1 hour before bed, take a warm shower or bath. When you step out, the rapid cooling of your body signals the brain to prepare for sleep. This is a powerful thermoregulation trick for activating the parasympathetic system. Protocol Part 2, the bedroom optimization 1. The 65-degree rule. Set your bedroom thermostat to approximately 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18.3 degrees Celsius. Studies show this is the optimal temperature for core body cooling, which is essential for initiating and maintaining deep sleep. 2. The noise barrier. Invest in a simple white noise machine, not music. White noise blocks out sudden noises, sirens, barking, that can pull you out of your critical slow-wave sleep phase. Protocol Part 3. The 4-7-8 application. In bed, 1. The first round. Lie down and perform the 4-7-8 hack, 4 cycles, immediately. 2. The re-entry hack if you wake up. If you wake up at 3 a.m. with a racing mind, do not reach for your phone or turn on the light. This is a fatal mistake. Simply turn over, place your tongue, and perform the 4-7-8 hack again. The calm will return within a minute, and you will drift back into sleep without the panic. Number 5. The evidence, stories of regeneration. Do not take our word for it. The truth is found in the life-altering results this simple technique delivers. Let me tell you about Maria, the 75-year-old grandmother I mentioned earlier. For 15 years, Maria had suffered from chronic, debilitating insomnia. She had been on 5 different prescription medications, each one making her morning grogginess worse. She felt her life was shrinking. We introduced her to the full 7-day sleep sanctuary protocol with the 4-7-8 hack as the cornerstone. Within 10 days, Maria stopped taking her pills. She reported that the 4-7-8 breathing felt like an internal massage that silenced the chatter in her head. She now sleeps for 6.5 consistent hours, wakes up energized, and has started learning Italian. She has reversed her life sentence of sleeplessness. Then there is David, a 79-year-old retired truck driver who struggled with restless legs that kept him awake. We taught him to use the 4-7-8 hack with a specific focus on the 8-second exhale, imagining the tension leaving his legs. Within 2 weeks, he noticed the sensation was dramatically reduced. The hack didn't treat the restless legs, but it calmed the central nervous system enough that the physical symptoms were no longer strong enough to keep him awake. These are not isolated miracles. This is the direct, predictable result of engaging your parasympathetic nervous system and turning off the crippling cycle of stress and cortisol that plagues modern seniors. Number 5. The evidence, stories of regeneration. Do not take our word for it. The truth is found in the life-altering results this simple technique. Number 6. Final call to action and urgent summary. The time for chemical dependence is over. Your body has the power to heal itself, to sleep deeply, and to regenerate memory, but you must give it the right instruction. This is your simple, doctor-approved instruction, 4-7-8. It costs you nothing. It takes 60 seconds. And the reward is a life of deep, healing sleep that will protect your brain and restore your vitality. Your best health does not begin at the gym or the pharmacy. It begins tonight with your very next breath. Commit to trying the 4-7-8 hack tonight. Do not wait. This is an urgent, non-negotiable step toward your longevity. If this video has opened your eyes to the truth about your sleep, please like this video now to help us expose the truth to more seniors. Subscribe to our channel, Senior Community, and join our mission to live stronger, longer, and healthier. And finally, come back tomorrow and share your results in the comments. Did you sleep better? Did you wake up rested? Your success story will inspire the next person to reclaim their health. Thank you for watching. Choose your health wisely. Choose the 4-7-8 hack tonight. Number 6, final call to action and urgent summary. The time for chemical dependence is over. Your body has the power to heal itself, to sleep deeply, and to regenerate memory, but you must give it the right instruction. This is your simple, doctor-approved instruction, 4-7-8. It costs you nothing. It takes 60 seconds. And the reward is a life of deep healing.